What's up, guys? Just drove the Jeep to school for the first time with the doors off. Let me tell you, it was a little chilly. It's only been like 70 degrees. It was like 60, actually it was like 50 degrees yesterday. Like, what the heck? Just barely was like 97 degrees last week. And now it's already down to being freezing. But it's back up to like 70 degrees today. It was a little chilly. You know what? If I have time today, what I'd like to do is a little bit of touching up on some of the faded pieces, like that trim piece there. Paint those. You can see the other side. This one's the worst side. It's kind of faded. And then also hit the mirrors. Get the mirrors touched up today. So yeah, that's kind of what we'll be doing today. Let's get to it. Okay, so continuing on from the other day, wasn't able to get to even do what I wanted to do, which was paint the trim and some other little bits and pieces on the Jeep that's faded black. I think I'm gonna end up also painting this piece. It's kind of rusted and yeah. The weather ended up being not too good the other day, and I was just busy anyway, so never got around to getting this stuff painted. But I thought today would be better, but it's still kind of a little bit breezy. So hopefully we'll be able to get in some painting without having too much difficulties. So let's get to it. All right, so we'll go ahead and get these mirrors off. I think I'll do these first because they'll probably be the easiest. Shouldn't be too bad. Okay, so the driver's side is actually not nearly as bad as the passenger side there, so I'm just going to kind of paint that one as is. Meanwhile, this one's pretty bad. I'm going to try and get off that remaining residual paint there, so it's just completely bare. And then we'll get these taped off and get them painted up. That felt sick. That felt really good. Rip! Yum. I'm just gonna keep going. Alright, so I think I got the mirrors to a point where paint's gonna stick well enough, so that should be good. Almost lost a finger in the process, but everything's great. Let's get them masked up. Alright, so got these taped up, just kind of ghetto with trash bags, but should do the job. Should do the trick there. Might need to adjust that piece right there. I'm not too worried about that rubber though. Shouldn't be a problem. But yeah, let's get these painted. Alright, so I'm thinking that, so my thought process was do this before I do the carpet. And for obvious reasons, I'm kind of sanding this down and we're kicking up dust, so yeah, probably want to do these before I do the carpet. So yeah, we'll just get these sanded and try and cover everything. Should be interesting, but I want to get these painted. sanding that trim down. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna hit it with I think one step higher or lower. I don't know how sandpaper works, but I think I'll hit it with 440 maybe. The last pass is 220. Pretty smooth. I think it's probably actually good enough, but I guess I'll just go a little one step higher, get it super smooth. But yeah, these are gonna clean up nice. All right, so I think I got this pretty well taped up, masked off. Seat cover, dash cover, I don't think it's going to be a problem here, but trying to prevent overspray as much as possible. I know it's not going to be totally safe, but I think the seat's covered, so that's good. That's what I'm worried about most. Don't care too much about the floor. I'm probably going to take this door off, and then yeah, we should be good, but everything's masked off pretty well there, so we'll get to painting now. Okay, so it's been kind of difficult so far, but I got the first coat on there. Kind of a ghetto situation here. Got plastic on there to protect everything, but the interior should be good. Getting a little bit of overspray right there. I can put some plastic there, but once again, I don't really care because it's going to be covered up in carpet. But yeah, I got the first coat on there, and yeah. Alright, so I'll give you a quick little walkthrough, just wrapped up. I didn't really show you, but got those trim pieces painted up nicely. I need to take these screws off and paint those too, because they look terrible now. But mirror's done there. I don't know if you can see that. And then stepping inside, we've got that nice trim there. Looks really nice. I need to get the rest of this thing cleaned up. It's filthy right now. So I got the trim down there. You know, thing about painting is you do one thing and then it kind of makes other things look like crap, like this door handle. Maybe I'll have to paint those too, but looks pretty good. Hopefully you can see that because the sun's like making it look terrible. Let's take a look at this side too. Don't have the door on this side. Yeah, not too bad. Looks pretty good. Alright guys, another day spent trying to get this Jeep looking fresh. If you like the transformation this thing's going under, please, if you could, hit that subscribe button at the end of the video. Thanks guys for watching. Peace.